Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing and specs information video to do on item 2114-20 from Milwaukee. Is the M18 compact radius sight light. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I have this item 2144-20, which is the radius M18 compact sight light with flood mode. And let me check this real quick because it's beeping and telling me that there's a warning. Unable to charge, check battery. Battery's pretty warm. Might actually have to check the voltage on that. It's like the fourth time that it's done that. That battery actually might be bad. Alright, let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, so this is the M18 compact sight light with flood mode. I got a deal where I went to another store. They let me purchase this for the $129 that was being sold at another store, because certain stores don't have, you know, the same pricing. And when I ended up picking this guy up, I actually got $50 off, because if you buy two select M18 lights, you get $50 off. So I ended up getting $70 off both of these lights. But this is the Radius M18 compact sight light with flood mode. And I'm sorry and apologize if I already stated that. This light has information for an HD 9.0 and an XC 5.0. So high, 7 hours, and this is the area light specs. High for 7 hours with an HD 9.0 and 4 hours with an XC 5.0 at 2200 lumens. 15 hours on medium with an HD 9.0 and 8 hours with an XC 5.0 at 1100 lumens. Low, 30 hours with an HD 9.0 and XC 5.0 is 16 hours at 550 lumens. The flood mode option says 10 hours on high with an HD 9.0 and 6 hours with an XC 5.0 at 1000 lumens. Flood mode medium, 22 hours with an HD 9.0 and 12 hours with an XC 5.0 at 500 lumens. Low for the flood, 43 hours with an HD 9.0 and 24 hours with an XC 5.0 at 250 lumens. It does have an AC inlet. It has a self-centering metal hook, area and flood mode, low battery indicator, which means I like the Milwaukee lights when the batteries get low, the actual light pulses. It flashes a few times, and it says impact resistant, corded, and battery powered. We're going to pop it open. Just cut that tape real quick. It's actually very nice and packaged. Try it out. And I've wanted this light and that light over there in the corner for a while. But I just didn't want to pay, like this light particularly, I didn't want to buy like $200 worth of batteries to get that for free, or buy 2 or 3 bare tools to get that for free, or whatever it was. It just seemed a little unrealistic for me. So, your instruction booklet comes with a M12 M18 pamphlet, which does have a free entry to the this one actually might not have a free entry. Oh no. Sign up today at MilwaukeeTools.com HD News. this is not one of those ones that has a free entry. You can do it anyways. You just go to milwaukee.com/sign up and just put in that you purchased a light, or you should be able to get information just based off of that. No, it doesn't come. It doesn't come with one of the little free T-shirts, or it might be only fuel items. I think fuel items are the only ones that come with the ticket for the free T-shirt and or other the 10 tool combo. I think it's only fuel models that get that. But quick unboxing. Nothing like majorly special. Nothing like extremely hard. We do have an extension cord right here. There's a dual pronger. Turn this on slightly on the side. That's actually really bright. That's the side. High, so this is the flood. High. You have to click the light button to go through the modes on the physical light settings 1 through 3. And then you click mode to change it from this to the spot, so radius to spot. 1, 2, 3. It is actually very bright. 3. And that's the pulse width modulation. That's why on the camera it's flickering on medium and low, but on high it doesn't. It's the LEDs are being pulsed on and off. Pulse width modulation, that's what it's called. Click on mode. So now it's on the radius light. High, medium, which is there's the pulse width, and low. It's definitely really bright. I actually do like that. I am pretty glad I picked it up. And if you just push mode to switch between the front and the radius. And if you put it on low, when you switch it to the radius, it will be on low as well. See? So it does have a memory function. So if you turn it on low and you leave it on low, what if we turn it off? Turn it back on. Yep, turns on to low. And then if you switch it to mode, then that one's low. Yep. So it does have a memory function, which is very nice. Unplug the extension cord real quick. We're just going to grab a 12.0 and see if it fits. Fit 12.0 fits perfectly fine with it standing up, no problems. It does stick out like a crap ton, but it fits. That's low, high, medium, low, mode, high, medium, low. Yeah, it works fine. Looks like the same brightness on high. Well, it doesn't matter which one it is. It is very heavy with a 12 though. Actually, turn this down. Okay. Take the 12 out. Let's put a standard 5 in it. It's nice and balanced with a regular 5. The 5 doesn't fit very well though for some reason. It's not very tight. What about a compact 3? Compact 3 is kind of loose too. That's interesting. Here is the rafter hook. Right here on the bottom. Which is kind of nice. It does have a single ball bearing, what it looks like on this side. And it does have a track that it's riding on. The ball bearing would be hard to show you guys, but I'm also assume you could probably, yeah, it does have a notch right here. Right here. You could probably hang it from a wire or something. But all in all, it's a very nice light. You're going to feel like you're going to get a lot of use out of it. Also need to do a unboxing and information video on the other guy. Let's just see what it weighs. Something like this, what it weighs. Put this down, point this down. Zero this guy out. 4 pounds. 6.6 ounces is what this guy weighs, which is not too bad. But you know, just a quick little video. Definitely be using it in a lot more videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Please comment, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJ Electronics affiliate links. Please go check out that latest Milwaukee NPS 2020 episode 1. More than likely it will be episode 2 out by the time I release this, or episode 3 might be out. But go check out all the pre-orderable tools that I left links for down below if you guys are interested in any of those things. I do appreciate your guys' time. Again, go smash the bell notification icon for me if you guys are interested in more videos and more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!